Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, you are welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Today we are doing this look, so without wasting much of your time, let's get video rolling. Okay guys, I will start off with this Pineapple Cosmetics loose powder in the shade Ivory to set my brows. Now I'm going in with my spoolie brush to brush my brow into place. Using my pencil from Cosmetics Art brow pencil in the shade Black to outline my brow. So I started off by drawing a line underneath my natural brow and doing drawing another line at the top part of my brow. And when I get to the arc of my brow, I just brought the line downwards to meet the first line. I hope I'm not speaking fast. Yes, just trying to outline my brow. Now using this pencil from Pretty by Floma. This is a dark brown pencil to fill in my brow. Now going in with my spoolie brush to brush both pencil into place. Yes, using this BH Cosmetics concealer stroke foundation palette to clean my brow. Please, if you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button down below and remember to give this video a thumbs up. Yes, so using that same foundation, same concealer to clean the top part of my brow. So I'll be using that same concealer as my eyeshadow base. Yes, I'm just using that same concealer as my eyeshadow base, and I'm using this big fluffy brush. Going in with the Huda Beauty Nude palette. Yes, I'm using this shade, which I have forgotten the name, in my crease. Yes, I'm just putting that right into my crease. I'm sweeping it back and forth. Using this gel liner from Minister, I'll be concentrating that on top of the first shade I use, and I'll be blending both together. Now with a different brush, I'm using this same shade to further blend both this color and the black gel together. And when you are using a gel and it is a matte gel, go in, finish one eye before doing the other, because when you apply the gel on both eye, by the time you finish one, the other one will be dry. So using this shade to blend the edges of the first shade. Yes, I'm just using that as my transitional shade. I didn't use much, I just used a little amount. So I'm just diffusing the edges of the first shade. And with this, you have to blend as if your entire life depends on it. Now using my clean wipe to clean the eyeshadow so that I can cut my crease. I don't want my concealer to be muddy, or I hope that makes sense. Yes, so I'm just cleaning so that the concealer will be clean. I'll have a clean canvas to put the other shade I want to place over there. A hooded eye and cut crease. The struggle is real. Yeah, so I'm just dragging it to my outer fin area using this color. It's a matte shade to set the concealer. Yes, so I just apply it all over to set the concealer to prevent it from creasing. Okay, so that's it for the eye. I'm going in with my mini star gel liner to line my eye. Please, if you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button down below. Click on notification bell as well to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So if you have not seen my last tutorial, I'll leave a card up here. After you finish watching this video, kindly click on that card. It will lead you straight to that video. Yes, I actually skip my foundation highlighting, and now I'm contouring my face, which is my forehead, the bridge of my nose, and my forehead, the bridge of my nose, and my cheeks. Yes, and blend. Blending is the key. If I am to add all the time that I use in blending, I hope I will hit like 1 hour. So guys, just blend using this flat shader brush to blend the concealer, my nose contouring. And I forgot, the foundation I used for my contouring was LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation in the shade Ebony. And remember to blend your nose contouring into your brow. Yes, into your brow. So going back with my foundation brush to further blend to further blend any demarcation between my highlighted area and my contoured area. So using this powder, I've forgotten the brand, to set the places where I highlighted. Yes, that is my under eye, my forehead. So going back with this loose powder from Pineapple Cosmetics to set my under eye. Yes, my under eye. The places where I highlighted, that is my under eye, my forehead, and my chin. Yes. So with this Nikak Dua contour, I'll set the places where I contoured. Please, if you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button down below and click on notification bell as well to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Yes, so I'm using that same powder to set my nose contouring. To set everything into place. So Nikak Dua blush. Yes. Guys, give this video a thumbs up using this black pencil from Pretty by Floma. Now to smoke out my lower eye area, giving it a little bit of popping. I was teary throughout this video. I don't know why my eye was tearing so mad that I have to apply my liner and what have you. So with my highlight, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Sugar 2 blush palette, and you see that glow, guys. See that glow? Let glow, honey. I'm using that same highlighter to highlight my brow bone. For my lip, I'm using my brown pencil, dark brown pencil from Pretty by Floma to outline my lips, and I'm using this no name nude um lipstick. So blending both the lipstick and the pencil together. Going in with my all-time favorite lip gloss from Pretty by Floma in the shade Pretty. I'm actually recording this voiceover late at night. It's almost 1:30 a.m. at my end. So guys, always remember to clean your lipstick. This is our final look, guys. So if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe down below. Leave me a comment down below what you think about this look. And until meet again, guys. Ciao. Subscribe, oh, subscribe. Hit the subscribe button.